Hi, my beautiful, wonderful family. Today is another beautiful day, and we'd like to take you through another wonderful opportunity that can actually land you to your choice country. And today we're going to be talking about Germany. Yeah, Germany for me is one of the most developed countries and is one of the first five choices, if you ask me for myself, that I'm going to consider if I have to choose to relocate from here. And I mean, Germany is one of the top five choices I could ever think of. Yeah, for many obvious reasons, which I could actually share with you. But if you go on Google and check out what life looks like in Germany, then I think this will be a driving force. And if you also consider Germany as a country to receive the kind of technology they use in almost every sector of life, then you realize that Germany is too sophisticated and is one of the most, one of the best places you can ever think of, especially if you've got a family or if you're about to have a family and you think of children education and bringing up your children. Education in Germany is quite different. Everything is sophisticated. They do it in a way you would appreciate what they are doing, and you will grow to become, a guru or a specialist in your field. Well, I'm not gonna dwell much about that, but today I want to talk about an agency which is offering sponsorship to move to Germany with your family to work in Germany, and I mean to enjoy whatever good opportunity you may be able to think of. So this company is Care in Germany. Yeah, they've got a lot of jobs and they're sponsoring people to come to Germany, give people opportunities to work in Germany. Of course, they've also got jobs in some other areas, which are not just Germany. But then I'm gonna be talking about Germany. So this is Care in Germany. Okay, yeah, Care in Germany. So yeah, at the moment they are not only they are not recruiting directly, but they use an agent, which I'm gonna be introducing to you also. Okay, to do their recruitment. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Well, if you come to Care in Germany website, you just see work in Germany. So you can see work as a nurse in Germany, work as a midwife in Germany, work as a caregiver in Germany, work as a medical doctor in Germany, work as a helper in the caregiving area. So any of this area you can actually work, and if you want you can actually come and click on it to see more information as well. It's gonna take you to the very one which you've clicked work as a nurse in Germany. So if you go through this, it's gonna tell you how you can work as a nurse in Germany and the kind of nurses you can actually work in Germany, the opportunities they give, and just a brief on how you can do this. So the same way, should you go to work as a medical doctor in Germany, they will also take you through the process how you can work in Germany as a medical doctor. Okay, so they're gonna tell you just a brief overview and the kind of medical doctor you could be in Germany and stuff like that. Yeah, so but again, you can come to job opportunities to see what job opportunities they've got for you and what kind of job you could actually do. You see, they've got yeah, physiotherapists, occupational therapy, just all of that. But then you can come here and read up this and apply. It will take you to the right place to apply. So, but in any case, like I told you, they will be recruiting through careers worldwide, okay? But you can just give it a shot and let's say you apply here. You click apply and you come to this place and you see 20 registered nurses for ICU responsibility. Other you can read through them and you can hit up apply. So if you hit up apply, it's gonna bring you to the application process. Okay. So if you come to the application process, it's going to tell you that application management is handled now by our company Career Worldwide. So this is where you have to visit to do your application. Okay, which is the website I've already showed you. So if you visit here, you will be able to go through it and see what jobs are available, and you do your application. So you can say view all, so to see all the available jobs. And by the way, in this website, you can also register your CV, your interest, and it becomes easy for you to apply. Okay. Yeah, so you can just go through this construction manager with planning, authority specialist in civil engineering helper, care assistant in nursing, blah blah. Let's just hit up care assistant in nursing. Yeah, so if you hit it up, It's gonna give you the description for this job, and in the description you're gonna see the number of jobs is one and the day it's posted. You know, sourcing is permanent sourcing. You're gonna see the description and care assistant nursing, what they offer and what you should bring. So you can see they offer competitive pay based on collective agreement, a secure permanent employment contract, full-time on part or part-time position, predictable and well-structured work schedule, opportunities for future education and training, a welcoming and supportive learning environment, job bike leasing, additional retirement benefits, and your responsibilities. You can see them behind performing or assisting with personal hygiene tasks, supporting the mobility of care recipients, providing assistance with toilet visits and dressing and undressing, facilitating daily routines and individual care such as taking work together, accompany patients to medical appointment and providing social interactions, managing resources and consumables responsibly. So these are things you need to do, okay? So you can see what they need from you, and you can just come here, put in your name, your email, your phone number, and type in your application later and upload your CV. Just confirm you're not a robot and you apply now. And that is all you need to do. So it makes it very seamless, right? Not difficult to do. So it's something anyone can do without any difficulties. But if you want, you can also come here to register. Okay, you can search the job by city if you have anything in mind, or you register your interest here, and it becomes easy for you to do multiple applications. Okay, yeah, by filling in all this, uploading your CV. So once you log in, you can do multiple application, and this is also very short, right? So that is how to go about it. So guys, this is about this website, Care in Germany and Carer Worldwide, whom they use. So if you are someone who wants to watch a 1 minute video, then this is good. You can just see what they got to offer you. Yeah, sometimes I like showing this because they got a couple of informations for you. Yeah. After approval, you can apply with your resume, and the job will reject. So guys, this is it. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I hope that if you're someone who is interested in moving to Germany, you can give this a shot, and probably this may be your game. So get it rolling and get the game playing. So guys, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you're already my returning subscriber, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share this video. Cheers.